This is how my students and myself are closing consistent wholesale deals every single month. And the sixth way is by far the most effective way that you can get motivated sellers in 2023. So make sure you watch this whole video. Please smash the subscribe button, like the video. I really appreciate it. The first way is by going after vacant land. Vacant land has no competition. There's so much vacant land out there. And if you can find a vacant lot within a bigger city, you can flip that lot to a builder and you can make an average of anywhere from $10,000 to $15,000 on every single lot that you can find and then wholesale. The way that we're finding these lots is simply by going over to ListSource. There's a specific parameter of filters we like to put on our list to make sure we get the best data. If you want to learn exactly what the parameters are, just send me a text message. Second way that we're getting leads doesn't give us consistent leads every single month, but it does give us at least 1 to 2 closed deals every quarter of the year. And that's posting inside of Facebook groups that we're investors and we're looking to buy fixer-upper properties. All you're going to do is go into Facebook, search all of your yard sale groups, wherever you want to do this in, add yourself to those groups, and then post in those groups that you are an investor and you want to buy fixer-upper properties, and you won't believe the amount of leads that you can get if you do this consistently. The next way that we're getting leads is by going after the tax delinquent property list. This list is really good to go after. It's actually a really hot list. It's been a hot list for years now, and if you can get your hands on one of these lists, you're going to be bound to at least close a few deals out of that list. You can find a tax delinquent property by simply going to the county, going to the tax assessor office, sending them an email, ask them if they can send you a file of all of the properties with back taxes for the last 3 to 4 years. The next thing that we're doing that is working really good in 2023 is cold calling. So we're cold calling out-of-state owned property lists. We don't actually do the cold calls ourselves. We use a company. Well, I'm going to put the link right here. Best company for cold calling. They're getting us anywhere from 5 to 10 leads every single day. So definitely go check them out. But cold calling has always been one of the #1 ways to get motivated seller leads. So if you're not doing it, definitely incorporate that into your business. Now, the sixth way is by far the best way that you can start getting motivated seller leads is by using mass text messaging. Now, this is a really hot way to get leads because text messages are the #1 open form of communication there is on the market, no matter what industry you're in. And 98% of text messages are actually read. So what you're going to want to do is find a company that will send mass text messages. We use this company right here. If you have any questions, shoot me a text message. You can actually text me right here. Guys, if you can like and subscribe to my channel, it helps me grow and also helps me continue to put out content for you. I want as many people to learn this business as possible because this business can change your life.